Hello and welcome to Dance 365 with the Wee Clan Torrance. It is day 1357. It is Tuesday. It's raining. Just as a quick weather report to you out there. We hope it's wonderful wherever you are, whether it's rain, shine, wind, snow, whatever's going on. We hope that in here you're having a fantastic day. We invite you every day to join with us, to raise the energy, to move around, to help create a better world, to dance, to let something out that might be getting stuck inside, and just to, I don't know, today we're going to beep beep like a sheep. So let's do that just now. If you like it, click like. You can do that. It's a thumbs up thing. Looks like that. You can also subscribe. It'll be down in one of these corners, I think, or up there on the end card, and you can also hit the notification bell as well. But for right now, we're going to dance. Come in and join with us.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe! Throw your hands up and point them to the floor! Here's what to do, now get down on all fours! Just bounce around, it's easy on me! Go crazy now, let me beat like a sheep! So, you know how to beat people like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and go from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. Go crazy now, down here like a cow.
I know we've danced that one before. I don't think I have. You'd remember a dance like that if you'd done it. You know what I mean? Go back and find it. See if I was there. Let me know in the comments below. Hope you have a most fantastic day. We're the Wee Clan Torrance, sending you so much love wherever you are, whatever you are doing. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.